Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, explain the Industrious Office app review to see if it was using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Industrious Office app makes managing workspace reservation easier. User can book desk or meeting rooms, view and change upcoming reservation, and coordinate teams booking all in one place. Designed for members of Industrious co-working location, it streamlines access and scheduling perfect. However, while the app gets higher rating from some users, there are some complaints about functionalities quirk such as missing office booking option, and broader Industrious brand has mixed review around cost transparency and service consistency. So in my own opinion, if you were a member of the Industrious network, it's worth using for you, especially if you need the mobile app access. But don't rely on it alone for major changes or booking without double check the details. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.